welcome back to my channel. Today, if you are new to channel, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get early notification about the upcoming videos. So today we are going to discuss ions. Okay, now let's see what are the simple ions. So those ions which are formed from single atom only are called as the simple ions. Let's see some examples. Sodium ion is a simple ion because it is formed from single sodium atom Na only. Okay, so similarly magnesium ion is there, Mg2 positive, aluminum ion Al3 positive, oxide ion O2 negative, and the chloride ion Cl negative, etc. All are the simple ions only. These simple ions are also known as monoatomic ions. Now let's see what are the compound ions. So those ions which are formed from group of joined atoms are called compound ions. It means simple ones was only formed from the one atom, but in the compound ion there are more than one. Either they can be 2, 3, 4 or 5 atoms. Okay, so those atoms, so those ions which are formed from group of joined atoms are called compound ions. Now let's see some examples like ammonium ion NH4 positive. In here you can see N nitrogen plus 4 atoms of hydrogen are present. It is a example of compound ion which is made up of two types of atoms joined together. First atom is nitrogen and another type of atom is of hydrogen. So together they are forming a compound ion. Similarly, nitrogen and hydrogen, they are combining together to form ammonium ion only. Similarly, the carbonate ion is there. The formula is CO3 2 negative. It means there are the two types of atom. First atom is of carbon and another three atoms are of oxygen. And similarly there are the sulfate ions SO4 2 negative, nitrate ion NO3 negative, and the hydroxide ion, etc. All these are example of compound ions only. See, there is another name of compound ion is also there. Like compound ion is also known as the polyatomic ions. It also means that poly means many and atomic ions means made up of, poly means the many atoms. It is made up of many atoms. Now let's see some of the common simple ions and the compound ions or the polyatomic ions, and there the symbols for the formula are. What are these formula? Here there is the table and you can see, you can identify the different simple and the compound ions. In first you can see the sodium ion. It is made up of only one atom. It means it is a single, means the common simple type of ion. Potassium ion, only one atom. Ammonium ion, it is having the two kind of atoms, two type of atom, like nitrogen and the hydrogen is there. And the magnesium ion, it is also a compound ion. It is also have, no sorry, actually it is having one type of atom is there, magnesium ion. Now you might be wondering what are the use of all these. See, the sodium and the potassium are used in the body in sending electrical signal by the nerve cells by measuring brain waves causing to the nerve impulse due to the movement of the sodium ion and the potassium ion in the brain cell. So they are having the significant role in the our body functioning. So doctors use it. So doctor can tell whether there is any element or injury is there in the brain of a person. This is done by taking EEG. What it means? It is electroencephalogram of a brain, which shows a graphic record of electrical activity in different parts of the brain produced by a device called electroencephalogram. By attaching electrodes to the person's skull as shown in the photograph. So what it do, it only does the graphic records of the electrical activity in the different parts of the brain produced by a device called the electroencephalograph. Okay, so this is all about our today's video. We will meet in our next video. Till that, keep supporting us. So thanks for watching the video.